Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel brings you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video covers what to do when your Android phone keyboard stops working. Here is how one Android user described the issue in a forum post. I can't type on my Android keyboard, and this problem happens randomly. It's really frustrating. Whenever I open my messaging app, Chrome, or any other app with a text field, the keyboard doesn't register the keys I press correctly. Can anyone help me fix this issue where my Android phone keyboard isn't typing? We understand that you might be facing the exact same problems right now. If you find yourself unable to type on your Android phone keyboard, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain the underlying causes and provide step-by-step solutions to get your device working properly again. Cause 1. Temporary system glitch. Solution. Restart your device. No matter how you try to input text, you find that your Android phone simply won't let you type. What should you do when you encounter this issue? Don't worry. A simple restart of your phone can often resolve the problem. Restarting helps clear temporary system errors, free up resources, and reset the Android keyboard process. It's a very straightforward solution. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. Then, tap the Restart icon or button. Your Android phone will automatically reboot and return to the home screen. Alternatively, you can select the Power Off icon or button from the same menu to shut down your device completely. Wait about a minute, and then turn it back on. If the issue was caused by a temporary glitch or minor software conflict, restarting your phone should resolve it. Finally, check again to see if the Android keyboard typing issues still persist. Cause 2. Keyboard app conflicts. Solution. Switch to the default keyboard. In addition to the standard keyboard built into your Android device, there are many third-party keyboard apps available for download. If you have installed any third-party keyboard apps on your Android device, they may sometimes interfere with the keyboard's functionality, preventing you from typing letters correctly. To resolve this issue, try uninstalling all the third-party keyboard apps you have downloaded. Once they are removed, switch back to using your device's default keyboard to see if the problem has been resolved. Cause 3. Keyboard app issues. The solution is to clear the keyboard cache and data. As you use your keyboard, the app saves your settings and frequently used words. However, over time, this saved data accumulates. If this data becomes corrupted, it can lead to malfunctions, specifically, the inability to enter any text using the keyboard on your Android phone. To resolve this issue, you can try clearing the keyboard's cache and data. To do this, open your phone's Settings, then locate and select the Apps option. In the list of applications, find and select your keyboard app. At this point, a force stop icon and text will appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap this icon and confirm the action. Once completed, check again to see if your keyboard has returned to normal working order. Cause 4. System bugs. The solution is to check for software updates. When bugs occur within the Android operating system, various issues may arise, and your keyboard failing to work while typing is one of them. Since Android developers release system updates periodically, the specific problem you are experiencing may have already been fixed in a newer version. If your Android operating system is not currently running the latest version, you should check to see if any new software updates are available. If an update is available, install it immediately. Here is how to do so. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap on System or Software Update. If an update is available, the system will prompt you to download the software. Once the update has downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then restart. Finally, check once more to see if the issue with typing on your Android keyboard has been resolved. Cause 5. Unknown issues. The solution is to reset your device. If your keyboard still fails to function correctly, you can try resetting your device. Please note that this action will perform a complete factory reset of your device and erase all your data. Therefore, it is absolutely essential that you back up your data before proceeding with this step. Resetting your device is a highly effective method for fixing issues where the Android keyboard fails to register keystrokes. To proceed, follow the steps below to reset your Android device. Open your phone's Settings, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, select Reset on the new screen, and finally, select Reset Phone. Once the reset is complete, your Android device may require you to reactivate your phone. Please follow the on-screen prompts to complete this process. Finally, the issue of "my keyboard is on but won't let me type" has been resolved, and the keyboard should now function normally. Cause 6. Hardware failure. The solution is to contact a repair service. If the issue, where your Android phone keyboard still won't let you type, persists, it is possible that internal hardware damage is preventing the keyboard from functioning. You may wish to contact the official store or support center for your Android phone brand to see if they can offer a more effective solution to assist you. That brings us to the end of this video. If you still have questions regarding your device, please leave them in the comments section below. If this video helped you fix an Android keyboard issue, such as being unable to enter your password, please feel free to give it a like. Also, be sure to comment below and let us know which method worked for you. Alright then, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.